Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Xfinity NOW Internet service in 2025. Whether you're considering a new internet plan or curious about how Xfinity NOW stacks up in the modern streaming age, this review is for you. Let's start with an overview. Xfinity NOW Internet is Xfinity's bundled service that combines high-speed internet with integrated streaming and TV features in one app. In 2025, they've continued to upgrade the platform to offer faster speeds, improved reliability, and a sleek, user-friendly interface. When it comes to speed and performance, Xfinity NOW impresses. On our test runs, we experienced consistent download speeds even during peak usage times. Most mid-tier plans offer around 250 Mbps, which is more than enough for streaming, gaming, and video conferencing simultaneously. For heavy users or large households, there are gigabit options available, ensuring that multiple devices can operate smoothly without bottlenecks out. Now, let's discuss the user experience. The Xfinity NOW app has a clean layout that lets you manage your network easily. You can view your data usage, adjust settings like parental controls, and even schedule times. When your Wi-Fi is disabled, integrating internet and streaming services into one platform means you can switch between browsing the web and watching your favorite shows without juggling multiple apps. On the pricing front, Xfinity NOW Internet remains competitive in 2025. Entry-level plans start at about $40 per month, making them accessible for those on a budget. Premium packages, which offer gigabit speeds and additional perks, can go up to around $100 per month. Bundled options that include TV and phone services are also available. It's often at a discounted rate, which can be very appealing if you want an all-in-one service. However, no service is without its challenges. Some users have reported occasional interruptions, particularly during severe weather or network congestion, although these instances are rare. Additionally, while many customers find Xfinity's support team helpful, there are occasional reports of delays in resolving specific technical issues. One more thing to keep in mind is that the promotional pricing may only apply for a limited time before the regular rate kicks in, so be sure to check the details when signing up. In summary, Xfinity NOW Internet in 2025 delivers reliable performance, a modern user experience, and flexible pricing options that make it a strong contender for both casual and heavy internet users. If you're looking for a service that combines fast internet with integrated streaming capabilities in a user-friendly package, Xfinity NOW is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more honest tech and service reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.